Hey guys, good morning. Another day in Paris. Guess where I'm standing right now. I mean, you would have guessed already because I'm in Paris. So yeah, so I'm going not to the top of the Eiffel Tower as it's been closed for renovation or something for the next 1 month, but I'm going to the second floor, which is the second highest point in Eiffel Tower, and it just costed me €5. Okay, just €5. Yeah, you had me right, it's just €5 because there are two exceptions for it. One is you need to be 18 to 24, between the age of 18 and 24, and you need to be fit and ready to climb the stairs. If you have both, like you're fit and you're under 24, you can just go to the second floor of Eiffel Tower for just €5. Sounds really good deal, right? So I'm still 24, so I'm doing it now. So I booked my reservation for 9:30, like the ticket, but I think I'm 5 minutes late, but I think it should be fine as there are not many people here. Probably first ones to arrive. The last time I was here, there's so many people around. No, there's not too many people right now, so I'm too excited because last time I didn't go up. Second floor looks good though, like top floor would be better, but yeah, it is what it is. I don't know where is entrance, is exit. I think it's somewhere over there. Right then, I'll show you the view when I go up there. I'll show you the bits and pieces. I think it's... looks really nice, right? I mean, as it's my second time in Paris, I've been here before to a couple of days, and I've spent here multiple times looking at it. Yeah, feels always nice to be back to the place we've already been. One of my favorite cities too. So all right, this is the entrance, guys. So guys, I think it's I'm one of the first ones to come here. Like literally, this is the line. There's no one. Like, see, there's literally no one. So happy. All right, guys, there was a little security check. It's really simple. You don't have to, I don't think you can carry bags. I mean, you can, but I don't think it's big size. The small backpacks you can, I guess. Yeah, so I just got in. Ooh, that looks massive, isn't it? Wow. I feel tripping looking at it. So guys, I'm just gonna go in. I'll just show you how you look. So I'm currently literally under the Eiffel Tower right now. Like literally, this is how it looks from down there. Whole thing is metal, like crazy, isn't it? Ooh. It is cold, it's really windy right now, like really windy. Wow. I'm wearing a jacket, so I'll be fine, but be prepared to wear some nice warm clothes if you're coming in winters, as it gets really cold, and the more top gear it gets more cold. So yeah. Okay, which way is it? Right, so there was a ticket checking office just behind me, and then there is another checking again here. I don't know why. Hey guys, I think the second security check was pointless because it makes no sense. So that's where they validate your ticket, and this is my ticket. So yeah, I've chosen to take the stairs, not the lift. So this is how it goes. That's fine. So I'm gonna enjoy the views slowly, take my time here. I believe I'm halfway through, I'm not even sure, but this is how it looks for right now. Yeah, there's more to go. Probably take like 10 minutes to walk up there if you don't stop. I think I made it to the first floor, but I'm gonna go to the second floor. But I think I'm gonna take a break at the first floor for a second because I didn't stop at all. did walk all the way to the first floor, and I'm not carrying my water bottle. That's stupid, isn't it? So guys, there's a coffee shops and restaurants and some souvenirs you can buy here on the first floor. So yeah, I think people are slowly started coming up because they think they open at 9:30. I was here on time, like 5 minutes late, but I was still ahead of a lot of people. So I'm just gonna go around, spend some time here, and then I'll go to the second floor, which is top of this one. Yeah, a few more steps, I guess. I'll be fine. Alright then, made it to Eiffel Tower, and also made it to, not to the top, but into the Eiffel Tower. I just had a look at the prices in this bistro. It's insane. Like, the cost to come here cost me €5. One Coke is €5. I think 5.50. That's crazy. I'm not spending that. Hey guys, so I've spent here like a few minutes, and I believe I should go to the second floor. But this is the way to go there. I feel like there will be a better view from there than here. So I'm just gonna start getting over. So this is the view from first floor. It isn't bad, but I might just go to the second floor. Just a few more steps. Hey guys, I believe I made it to the second floor. I'm almost there. As you can see, I'm hitting the floor. Yeah, I'm really happy that I'm here today, because last time I was in Paris, I promised myself next time if I'm here, I'll definitely climb this. Glad I'm doing this now. Right, welcome to the second floor, guys. So all the people you see here, they have taken an elevator. So unlike me, I've taken stairs. So they're already here. That's fine. Not really easy, so. So guys, that's the view from Eiffel Tower, second floor. Looks really nice. For €5, I think that's the best. So I'm just gonna go around, see a few more panoramic views from here, and then I'll head back. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but this is from here. I'll show you some more nice views from here, okay? Hi guys, it got really windy right now, like super windy, and imagine being on top of Eiffel Tower right now. I think you'll be blown away, like it's super crazy right now. It's so windy, it's getting cold actually. Hey guys, so it really got super windy up there, so I couldn't bear it anymore, so I just got down. So I might head back down. So yeah, that's it from the Eiffel Tower vlog. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna visit next, but I'll keep you posted. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're here. So guys, how often do you see clear skies on a winter day? Very rare, right? And today got to be the day it is clear skies. And I mean, I saw the weather forecast, it says it's gonna shower or rain, but I can see the sun clearly. There's a blue sky. I'm so lucky that I came here today. So happy that I'm here today. So I haven't had my breakfast yet, so I'm just gonna get some food, then may see some places around here, then head back to home. Gotta do work today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and please like and subscribe. I'll post more travel vlogs. I need your support. Thank you. See you in the next one.